Hello everyone. My name is Ruben. Today I'm presenting a cross-cultural comparison of education system in Vietnam, the United States, and South Korea. This topic is meaningful to me because I have experienced education in more than one country, and it's helped me understand how deeply culture shape the way we learn. Education is more than just school and textbook. It's set by culture, by the values and tradition of its society. In this presentation, we will explore how education reflect cultural belief in Vietnam, the US, and South Korea. We also apply the three textbook concept to better understand this difference. So the first concept is culture itself. Culture influenced what we teach, how we teach it, and what success means. For example, while three countries value education, each one has a different idea of what a good education look like. Concept number two, the cultural values. The second concept is cultural values. These are the beliefs that define what is important. So in Vietnam, education emphasize discipline and respect, especially for teacher. In the US, creativity and independence are valued, so students are encouraged to express themselves. In South Korea, education is linked to family honor and success, creating a high pressure environment. Here, and so for concept number three, it's about intercultural communication. So the presentation like this help us understand each other better. By learning how different cultures approach education, we can become more empathic and globally aware. Uh, so in Vietnam, the classroom are usually very structured. Students usually sit in rows, the teacher lecture, and everyone stay quietly. All schools use the same textbook nationwide, and learning is focused on memorization. This reflects on the values of respect and national unity. So about United States is about individualism and creativity. So in the US, the classroom are more flexible. Students usually sit in a group or circle, and discussion are encouraged. Each school can choose its own textbook, often with a multi-content, and the focus is on independent thinking and expressing personal ideas. And with South Korea, it's about achievement and pressure because South Korea has a very high competitive education system. Students attend regular school and also go to Hangwons or private school, and then after school. Textbooks are nationally standard and focusing on preparing for exam. Education here is very highly intense and driven by a strong desire for success and social expectation. So the cumulative insight, when we compare the three systems, we see how culture shapes the classroom. So Vietnam values more about like respect and teacher. The US values more about freedom and creativity. And South Korea is values more about success, excellence, and hard work. These are different affect everything from how students behave to how teacher like teach to how society like measuring success. So in conclusion, education is a reflection of culture. By comparing this system, we can better understand each other, which remind us that there's no system is better. They are just different and shaped by unique values. Learning about this difference helps us become more integrally competent and globally connected. Thank you everyone for listening.